there's one young boy from the way. He done time, but it come without play. Try to tell him that crime don't pay. Plus he's on edge cause they know where he stay. He was outside trying to get roads taped. All the chilled in Netflix with Bay. But now it's 10 toes on the
Damps.
Guys, my name's Sage. I'm located in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I'm located in Canada. Probably one of the only people that offers this service for this type of hair in Canada. So feel free to reach out to us, whether it's through the link in our description or by calling us. I'll leave our phone number in the description as well. Essentially what I'm doing right now is I'm preparing the haircut before I apply the hair unit. There is no hair on the top of his head. So we're going to be giving him a complete makeover, 0 to 100. Now, I remember a few months ago, I was not excited to do these. I was just kind of forcing myself to figure out how to get good at it. And it wasn't as easy as just taking a class and being great. You know, it's like anything, you have to practice. It's not just sticking hair to the top of your head. There's a complete, full experience to it that is pretty life-changing.
No more sitting on the sidelines. These niggas just follow guidelines. And I've been caught up in the voice, but I've been tripping off of fine lines. And I've been reading through the fine line. I come to realize everything she was saying, she was probably right. I tell her that now, fuck, we probably fight. And that's some shit that I'll probably write down. Tell her right now, to tell the truth, I haven't been the best for you. But want nothing but the best for you. The type of nigga take a bullet to the chest for you. And I still save a breath for you, but nothing less for you. I take the stress for you, making sure everything blessed for you. She tell me to say the chirp for the birds, cause we both know actions speak louder than words. So just let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. I'ma just let it be. You know, gotta let it be. Fuck, cause if it's really meant to be, she'll be back eventually. So just let it be, let it be. I'ma just let it be, let it be. Last morning, I had that J playing. That shit depressing as fuck. I feel like every single second I spend listening to him. In seconds and minutes I should just invest in myself. Cause I ain't getting any younger, steady getting older. I'm not even in school, I'm probably a fool, but I never follow crowds. You can find a nigga backstage. I got it tripping like Black Sage. And all her friends either stripping or you find them on Backpage. I mean I ask but you can't say. And you don't gotta tell me all, but just meet me there halfway. And say the butts for the ashtray. Well not the hustle if you got a reason. Fuck how they feeling, that's just how I'm feeling. I mean, they'll probably never get the bigger picture. You do, girl, that's why I'm fucking with you. So just let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. I'ma just let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Cause if it's really meant to be, she'll be back eventually.
Damps.
So remember, if you enjoyed that video, I need likes, I need comments. I'm not getting enough of those right now. Subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Turn on the notification bell if you want to see more stuff like that. Again, I'm in Montreal, Canada. I'm looking to target different cities in Canada. So if you're in anywhere other than Montreal, if you're in Montreal, come see me. If you're not in Montreal, let me know where you're at, and we're going to try to set up a meeting where I can go and service clients and teach barbers how to do this, because it's huge. We have our beard balm, Diced beard balm, and Diced beard oil. So if you want to support this channel and there's a product that you need, go visit www.dampscompany.com right now and check out our list of products. You will get high quality product. It smells incredible. If you're a woman and you want to get your man something for Valentine's Day, we're going to have some gift bags for that. Boost hair fibers, your favorite artists' hairlines and beard lines. When it's too perfect to be true, it's because it is. You know what I mean? And they're using an enhancement. That's what they're using and you're not using. So Boost hair fibers. That's how you get that extra clean, dark beard, extra clean, sharp, dark lineup. I'm gonna speak on barbers specifically. That they're not realizing is how many cues that their clients give them when it comes to hair loss. Clients are giving you an opportunity to solve a problem. When they say, it's thinning up there. Is there anything you can do? I wouldn't say like hair units aren't permanent, but they last you 3 to 6 months, even a year sometimes. So it's definitely a great solution. It's a solution that allows you to have style. We also do SMP. SMP is scalp micropigmentation. The one thing about scalp micropigmentation is it's very 2D. It's very two-dimensional, meaning there is no volume in the hair. It's just literally something that needs light to create the image. If there's no light, if the room is dark, or it's like you're in a club vibe and there's like lights going all over the place, but it's still a dark vibe, you will not see the hairline you create from SMP unless it's colored on really dark, which in most cases is not nobody's preference. But for hair units, you can get that kind of 3D real effect, and it's real hair. The hair we use is real, so it can be brushed, it can be restyled. You can take the waves out, you can put the waves in, you can create a crazy pompadour, you can do whatever you want with it. You just gotta treat it like real human hair, so that means taking care of it. I'm speaking on barbers right now, we don't really look at the verbal cues. Before I did this, I didn't realize how often men talk about their hair loss. It's a fact now that 2 in 3 men will experience hair loss by the time they reach 30. We need to know these techniques, these tools. So I encourage everybody, if you're a barber right now, and even if you just want to do it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description to get to our academy, where I show you top to bottom what to do to become a hair replacement specialist, a hair unit specialist. And the reason you want to take my class versus any other class, I thoroughly go into the experience as a professional. Not only are we creating the experience for the client, but as a professional, you kind of want to know step by step what you need to do pre-game, during the game, and post-game to create a loyal and successful business. That's what it is. It's not just showing you guys how to stick the hair onto the head. It also shows you what to do with the client post-care. It shows you how to develop your business, how to market your business, how to do consultations, all these little things, you know what I mean? And all these little, and all the tools you'll need. Because realistically, guys, it's more than just cutting hair. You know what I compare it to is, we just took on a new barber. Great energy, terrific energy. He's been cutting at his house for around 7 years or something. So it's the first time he's in a shop. He gets into the shop, it's just a whirlwind of new. Like stuff he's never seen, never experienced. What he's realizes is like, he was cutting at his crib, but it was nothing like a setting like this. He wasn't being held to the same standards as he will be in this setting. That's a story for another vlog, but it was just the level of experience that the capabilities that he's gonna have after coming through DAMS and understanding how we do things. His level of service, the experience he's gonna create for clients is gonna be beyond what he was given before. What that took was him joining the shop. But what I'm trying to do when I'm giving you guys this program is that understanding and that knowledge so that you can implement it right now. So you don't have to be at DAMS to kind of realize what we're talking about. The other thing about online classes that are great is you can take it on your time when you want, and it's lifetime value. I would suggest to anybody who wants to level up in this game right now, get on that. And you just gotta think about the numbers. 2 in 3 men suffer hair loss. So there's a crazy demand for this. There's a crazy demand. It's a new market. It's not the coolest market yet. It's not a cool market yet, like barbering is right now. Barbering's very hype. He's very cool. If you're big on practicality and offering your clients a solution, you need to get on this right now. So I will leave the link to that course in the description. Go take that course. Trust me, it will be a game changer for you, 100%. It's a game changer. That's all I can say. Again, if you mess with the video, if you messed with the before and after, if you want to be a client, if you want to learn this hands-on, I will teach hands-on classes. But everything you need, just send me a message. Send me a text. Call me. Preferably a text. Links in the description. All the information you need will be there. Take crumbs, make bread. DAMS, baby.
DAMS.